Hello kids! Welcome to our channel! Today we will draw a beautiful puppet house. First I am drawing the bottom of house. Now I am drawing its roof. Now finally the chimney. Let's divide the whole house with lines like this. Finally I am drawing small circles on each line. Fantastic! Now I am making this drawing more visible. Let's color the house with rainbow colors. Red. Then I am using orange color. Like this. Yellow. Light green.
I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it.
Dark green.
I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he
Light
picked
blue.
it up and put it in his pocket.
Dark blue. Purple. And then pink. Awesome! If you like this video, press like button and subscribe to our channel.